Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FxMariner. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a copy trading account with Hotforex. So when it comes to copy trading, you can be either an investor or you can be account manager. Actually, if you have good history of trading in Forex, you can apply to be account manager. We call it a strategy provider, or else you can be the investor, so that one experienced trader, you can follow one experienced trader, so his trades automatically copied to your account. So you don't have to trade, you just keep your money in your account, so that the person who you follow, he will be the one who trades, so his trades will be copied to your account automatically. So this is a very good method if you don't have enough time for trading, and if you don't have enough knowledge in trading, and if you believe that these experienced traders would do better than you can always follow an experienced trader. So in that case, you have to open a follower account. So this is Hotforex follower accounts. So if you don't have Hotforex account, I have put the link in the description, so please register and verify your account. Then after verification, you can proceed to open HF copy follower account. So how you can do this one is, you just go to HF copy here, then you have options down, new strategy provider, my follower account, strategy list, and what is HF copy. So if you want to read more about HF copy, you can read the information here. They have given how this thing works, but in this video I will show you practically how this one happens. So if you have time, you can go to this one and read this one as well. New strategy provider, as I explained you before, if you are good in trading and if you want to earn some passive income, means that a commission for successful trades you do on behalf of your investors, you can go for a strategy provider account. So here in this video I'm focusing on follower accounts. That means you are an investor and you will follow an experienced trader, so his trades will be automatically copied to your account, then you don't have to do anything. So if there would be any profit at the end of the month, the profit share will be share of profit will be going to the trader, or the experienced trader who traded on behalf of you. So in that case, if you want to open a follower account, you just click follower accounts here. So the new page appears, and actually I was having a lot of follower accounts here, but this has not been used for a long time, so I have to open a new follower account, right? So if you're coming for the first time in this window, it may look like different, but anyway, there should be an option that you can open a follower account. But here for me it's showing quite different, because I was having quite follower accounts before. So my screen is slightly different. So it says your suitability test expired on August 11th, so click here to retake suitability test. So actually suitability test is that this, as per their rules and regulations, that they want to know the investor has a little bit knowledge about forex trading and what he's going to do, because if the person has no knowledge about what he or she is going to do, it is a risk of losing funds. So they're asking a small suitability test to be carried out. So I will click here to do my suitability test. So I have already clicked. So there are 7 questions to be answered, and if you answer these questions correctly, so your test will be instant, and you will pass this exam instantly, right? So these questions for me and for you may be different, so you follow your way, I will follow my way. So what percentage of net worth in liquid asset? I would say 1 to 20%. What percentage of totally monthly income goes towards your mortgage and other financial commitments? I would say 30%. Please describe the difference between your regular monthly income and your regular monthly expenditures. I am able to save less than, I am able to save more than 30% of my income. Okay. How would you describe your investments outside this program? Very conservative. And the scenarios below show the possible gain or loss over a set of period for hypothetical investments. Given the potential gain or loss, which of the following scenarios describe your investment style and appetite for risk? So risk of losing 10% with a chance of gain 15, risk of losing 30%, chance of gain 15. I would say the first one. Okay. Which of the definition best describes trading strategies that suit your needs? Okay, I have filled this one open position for few seconds up to 24 hours. I've changed this one, and I will submit answers. We'll see what it comes. Okay, thank you. You can now start your HF copy follower count. In case you did not fill that questionnaire correctly, they would not allow you to proceed with, because they think it is a danger for you to go with this forex trading account. So you have to be careful of what you have to fill in this one, because that is applicable for your requirement. So if your if your saving percentage is not good enough, or your mortgages and your expenditures are more than it should be, so you may not allow to do this Hotforex copy trading account. So anyway, I have done this one suitability test, so they have accepted me. So I just click my follower accounts, right? So I'll be directed to a new window. We'll see what it has to show me. All right, these accounts have already been not used for a long time, so I have to go for a new account. Let me see how we can go for that. Okay, I have option to open new follower account, so I will just click on that one. So I'll be directed to a new window to proceed with. Right, we'll see until this one loads up. Right, this is open new follower account. Minimum first deposit $100, minimum subsequent deposit $50. Margin call, stop out call 50% and 20%. Leverage up to 1 to 400. Available in USD based currency only. Alright. So leverage, I will leave it to 1 to 400, and introducing broker ID, it's not required, but I will put the person who introduced me. And by checking this box, I place my digital signature stating that I have read and agreed to HF copy terms and conditions. So if anyone is interested, he or she can read this one as well. So I will click this one and I will click open account. So once I click open account, there will be my credentials, my username, actually my account details will be shown there. So we'll go and see what it looks like. Right, we will wait for some time until this one loading. So actually, I was waiting for some time, but it needs to be click this button. So this message appears. Until you click this one, you cannot proceed ahead. So it says your trading account will be attached to an affiliate. If you do not wish to have your account attached to an affiliate, please click the clear button above. But I will leave like this because the person who introduced me, I have to support him for this one, right? So I just click this one, then the below message comes, then I can proceed ahead. So now I'm proceeding ahead, right? So my account details are shown here. Actually, this one should not be shown to anyone, and you should keep this one in a safe place. So in this video demonstration, I will hide this one for my security of my account, right? So your trading account details already will be has been sent to your email as well, so that's good to go, right? Then since you have already opened a new follower account, now what you have to do is you have to find a strategy to follow, right? We just click on strategy to follow, right? So now we will be directed to a page where we can follow a person who we think perform better, right? So when it's come to here, you have so many options. You can see the people who are in the list here, and there are some filters as well. If you click on filters, you can see if you know the person's name, you can type here, and these things, if you know the person who lives in the specific country, you can filter this one. And followers higher than 100 and less than 100, then max drawdown you can select, and the gain also you can select if you wish, or if not, you can select from here as well. Actually, what really important is when you choose a person to follow, that he or she should have a higher gain, and when it comes to drawdown, he or she should have a very low drawdown. Drawdown means that when or she was trading, that the amount of money that has gone against his trades or her trades, because the drawdown is a risk for your account, right? Then the follow also fact that you should consider. The high number of followers means that he or she performing well, and the stability score is if any strategy provider, his or her stability score is 1, means that he is more steady, and if his or her stability score is 5, means he is very weak in his trading. So you should not follow the persons whose stability score is very high. 1, 2, even 3 is okay, but 4, 5 is worse. You should not follow. The other thing is active since. That means this person has been on trading for more than 900 days. That means this person is hopefully doing good in this trading. But the problem is he or she has very high drawdown. This is a very high risk to your trade, your account, if you are going to follow him. So as I explained before, the strategy provider gain should be higher and the drawdown should be lower, and the followers should be high and the stability score should be low, and active days should be high. These are the main factors that you should consider. You can do the filtering here as well, and here also there's option that you can click this icon, so automatically it will be a lineup for you. If I click high gain, so one more time, it's not properly showing, right? Okay, Actually, you should click on the name gain. That means now you can see the highest gainers here. So this person is the highest gain. He has more than 61,000% gain. But the danger here is that he has very high drawdown. He has good followers and the stability score also good, and the number of days he has been active also very good. Only the problem with this drawdown. If you want to check more of this person, you can go to his view profile and check. The next person is this one is good, thousand almost 1,000% gain, and the drawdown also good. If anything below 25%, I would say it is good, and the followers also having. Only here he has a problem. He has stability score is 3. That means that he may have more pending orders with the floating loss, and he has been trading for more than 1 year. This is also good. We can check the third person. He has more than 500%, and the drawdown is showing 0. I'm not sure why it's showing 0. Shouldn't be, because drawdown should be something more than 0. But anyway, his stability score is not good, and his days of trading only 39. That means he's new, so you can leave him for a while. And the fourth person is almost 500%, but the danger, he is also having a huge drawdown. Numbers of the followers okay, stability score okay, number of days okay, and his problem, he has a problem of high drawdown. Okay, next person also high drawdown, we can leave him. And this person is very high drawdown. You should never follow this kind of person. And this one, it is okay. He has 270%, drawdown 2% okay, accepted. He has followers okay, and stability score 2 means 1 is best, 2 also you can accept, and he has been there for more than 500 days. This person is good to follow. And the next one is he has very high drawdown, so you can leave him alone. So this person is me. This is my account. Actually, this is my strategy provider account. I have almost 250% gain and have 22% drawdown. I have two. This is stability score is 2, and I have been online for more than 692 days, and I have gained around more than 250% of my initial investment. So here I don't have any followers, because I had followers, and since I started to change my strategy, I had to leave them, and hopefully new followers would join me. So if you want to check my profile, what you have to do is view profile. So you can go inside and see what I have done in my strategy provider account, right? So now I have strategy provider account here, and I'm having a follower account here also. But in ethically, I cannot follow my own account, I cannot use my follower account to follow my strategy provider account. That is not ethical. But here I will show you my account, so you can think of the things that you should focus when you choose a strategy provider to follow, right? So I have started trading in 2020 August 7. I have gained 250%, and I have drawn down about 22%. At the moment I don't have followers, and performance fee means you have to consider this one also. If any account provider, if any strategy provider charging you more fee, means that any profit you gain end of the week or end of the month, you have to pay 30% to him or her. right? This shouldn't be done manually. This is automatically will be deducted from your profit, that you don't have to do anything, but you have to consider the amount of fee he or she is charging from you in case of successful trades. So here I have to mention, if this person, if the strategy provider making money for you, only that he can charge 30%. If any case he is not making money for you, if he is not making profits for you, he cannot charge anything, right? So this also you have to bear in mind, that fee should be 30 to 20 to 30% accepted, but personally I don't like anybody charging more than 40%, right? Stability score also 2 means okay. And the performance, you can see, since I have started trading, I have a very good gain here, but I have here drawdown, again I have gain here, I have a bad time here because I was using a different strategy, then I changed my strategy to a new one, then I have started gaining since 2021 June. Then I have a constant gain here. I can see that one, my performance. So when it's come to monthly wise, you can see in 2020 August 5% I have gained, September 14%, October 3%, November 22%, December 2%. 2021 I have you can see my performance. Some months I have negative balance. In this negative balances, I don't charge from my followers because I have not made any profit for them, right? So here I have mix of profit and losses, because actually it should be the way. There is no trader that he or she can make money every day, right? If you found someone like that, that is very strange, right? Okay, equity versus balances, I have here this area from here to here. This is not a good sign of trading, because as I explained before, I had a very bad strategy followed, then I changed back, then here I was trading well, because it should be equity and the balance should be almost same line. If equity and balance, if someone has like this is not a good sign of trading, because this has a very high floating loss, right? So then again I managed to do good trading here. Now I am continuing to do that one, right? So when it's come to my balance, I have $1,000 balance and I have equity same. Initial deposit I had put 500, total deposit I have done 1120, total withdrawals I have 1590. So that means I have withdrawn more than I have deposited. That means I have already profited from this account, right? So profit based on equity, almost $1,500 I have made profits in this account, right? So these are the currency pairs I have done during my trading. Most of the pairs I have done gold USD and USD CHF and Euro USD. Other pairs I have done in smaller amounts. So number of closed trades, I have done almost 1600 trades, and open trade 0. That means this is also good sign. If you check other traders, you can see there are so many open trades still running in losses. This is very bad sign, but here I managed to close all my trades, and plus positive close trade more than 1000 and negative close trade 500. Profitability is 67%. This is acceptable, and average profit this much, average loss this much. Average lot size I use 0.03, and average trade length would be 84 hours. So if someone is interested, he or she can check my history as well. So this is a strategy provider account, and if you want to follow, you have to click this one. Then again new window appear. Here I cannot follow myself here because this is my account, and using my follower account I cannot follow my strategy provider account. So I have explained you how to choose a good follower, and if anybody is willing to follow me, actually you should have minimum $500 balance, otherwise your account will be at risk. Okay, even you deposit $100 for your follower account, still you can follow me, but honestly, I would say it is high risk if you are keeping a low balance. But if you are maintaining more than 500 balance, it will be good to use. You will make some profit hopefully in the coming months. So okay, since I cannot follow myself, I just show you by clicking this one, but I'm not going to follow me. It is not ethical. But I will show you how to do this one. When you click here, now you are selected to follow this one, like myfx. This is my account. Then you have to choose your follower account. This is the most recent account I have created. Amount USD to be added under this strategy. I would, as I explained you before, you can put minimum 100, but it is always better to put at least 500. Choose volume allocation. I would say 100%. Choose rescue level, I would say 0, and copy minimum volume, yes. So I have to explain you these things one by one. Here, choose follow account. You have to click, you have to select your follow account from this drop down menu. Amount is that you are going to put this much of amount for the person to be followed, right? Choose volume allocation means that if the account strategy provider is choosing 0.01 volume, if you put 100% means the same amount of volume will be copied to your account. So same trade will be copied to your account. If you are using 50%, the 50% of the volume size will be reduced to your account. But in any case, if the strategy provider using 0.01, which is the minimum lot size, if you're using anything less than 100%, that trade will not be copied to you. So it is always better to 100%. Rescue level means if the account is going to lose, account is not making profit for you, if the account is going to the losing side, it is asking how much you want to rescue. If you are putting $1,000 and you are putting 30%, means at $700 loss, it will stop copying the accounts and stop following him, and it is going to save you $300. But I don't want to save 30%, because if 30% I'm going to save, if the market reversal happen, I'm not going to make any profit. So I just keep 0. Copy minimum trade volume, yes, means that if the strategy provider account is having $1,000 and you are putting $100, his volume is trading lot size would not be the same as yours, because you are maintaining a less balance compared to his account balance. So in that case, some trades of him will not be copied to you. But if you put here yes, all the trades will be copied to you, right? So then if you're okay, you can start following, right? But I cannot do this one because this is my own account. I cannot follow on account. So when you click start following, you are done. Your balance will be transferred to your follow account and you will start following. So that is all about the follow account. So you don't have to do anything, you just set up and watch the account. This is all about Hotforex copy trading. You can make passive income without doing anything. You just invest only, and the trader or the manager or the strategy provider will do trade on behalf of you. So please don't take this as a financial advice. So do your own research, and if you are comfortable with this one, start trading, and if you are not comfortable with this one, please don't proceed with, because this forex trading is very high risk trading. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.